we are off to Pasadena to go. We're going thrifting. I got my new little bracket thing set up here, and I'm not sure if it's actually on here or not. Let's find out. Yeah, we'll find out on the way. If you fall over, we'll know. It has a little purse. Unicorn purse. And we're off. Okay, it's a little wobbly. Let's find out if that stays. Oh yeah, it does. It's still wobbly. That's not very stable. Okay, so we tried reversing the bracket. Instead of having it on the dashboard, we have it hanging from the windshield. We got a little bit less wiggly, but it still wiggles. Anyway, we're gonna deal with it.
It's better than a lot of wiggles.
Right, there's less wiggles. Oh dear. So I'm gonna just fall right off there. Okay. So we made it to Pasadena. It looks very busy here. Not like the last time I was here, there was hardly any cars. So we're gonna hope for the best. Violet's looking for rubber boots, and I'm looking for Easter things.
Easter.
Maybe St. Patty's Day stuff. We'll see.
I actually crazy. Yeah. And I can tie them in.
Okay, run them around. See. Okay, so what? You want to try the gold ones? Buy that over here. So we did very well. It turns out all clothing was $1. All clothing is $1.
That's good.
Yep. Okay, well, we got 2 pairs of boots.
I have new favorite boots.
And she has new favorite boots. I've reattached this, and it's still going to be, like, this is not stable. Just like me. Okay, let me try it the other way. I'm going to turn on the car, though.
My favorite boots.
Her favorite boots. Doesn't matter. No matter what I do, it's still gonna wobble. Yeah.
This donut's big.
The big donut.
2 days later.
All right, so it is now Monday. Okay, so it's 2 days later. I am doing my usual delayed haul situation, but here's what we got. So Violet got those little cheetah print boots, and she's been wearing them ever since. She loves them. But we also got these gold rainbow rubber boots, the ones that she wears all the time now, those cheetah print ones. They are rubber boots, but they're kind of short. So we got these longer ones. What else did we find? I'm just going to haul things out. Oh, finally got this little Barbie coin purse, which was super sweet. She was looking for a coin purse to take with her, and when she found this one, she was super, super excited. I picked up this little mesh bag. I'm always trying to find things to corral Violet's little toys, and she's got LOL dolls. And have you ever seen those small LOL dolls and all the accessories that come with them? They're tiny. So I got this mesh bag, see-through. It obviously was like a gift or something that was like a toiletry set or something. Anyway, they're great for putting small little toys in. Also, I like the see-through pouches for when I travel, if I ever do that again, so that I can just look to see which bag I put stuff in. Anyway, this was literally 25 cents. All the clothing was $1. And so this she just gave Violet. This was 25 cents. This was 25 cents. This is a fuzzy, furry kind of beret. And it's BCBG McNamara, which I always remember from Dillard's. Like there was a whole section of Dillard's, but I'm sure it's I don't know if I can pull this off. I don't know if you can see it. I could, artist type thing, but I just loved it. So maybe I can't pull it off. Maybe it will be used for a costume or a show sometime, which I got to stop thinking that way. I know. But I just thought it was really cool. So anyway, it's got kind of stretchiness on the back. Who knows? Will I wear a beret? Maybe not. But maybe I'll sell it. Would you wear a beret? Are you interested? Anyway, I found this really cool belt. I always look in the men's section for belts. This looks like, like seatbelt material. Remember those seatbelt belts? Remember those? Oh, that was a memory unlocked there. But it has leather on the both ends. So it's lighter weight than a leather belt, but it's more substantial. It's got leather on both ends. I just thought it was cool. I thought it was kind of like safari, military maybe. I don't know. It's got a cool look to it. So that's a possibility there. Again, that was probably 25 cents. Nothing. Oh, and she gave me this. This is a Billabong wallet. I am in need of a new wallet. And I've just picked this one up. Thought, I'm not really that picky. But yeah, she didn't check it in and she's like, oh yeah, just throw that in. But it's Billabong. So I thought if I don't use it, I can sell it. Maybe. I don't know. Does Billabong sell well? I don't know. But yeah, it's like really soft leather. Like it. And of course I had to pick up these brass candlesticks. I am a sucker for brass candlesticks. I just love them. I love them. They've got some like tarnish there. Like, I don't know if that'll come off or not, but I always look for the made in India ones. These don't match, which I like. I don't know how many sets of brass candlesticks now, but I'm going to do something with them on my mantle, probably spring. I would love to find some pastel candles, so all different colors. I have white and I have green and I have red. I have Christmas colors. But I'd like to find like pink and pale blue and purple and, to put in there. So there is a spring decorate with me coming up. So hopefully I'll find them by then and I can use them. I bought these Columbia shorts. They're men's Columbia shorts. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. But I bought them for me. All the shorts, everything was only $1. So I was like, you know what? If I put them on and they're a weird fit and they don't work, I will sell them because Columbia sells really well. So that's, who knows? Who knows what'll happen with those? But I figured I'd give it a try. I got this little Old Navy dress for Violet. It was really cute. She liked it. It's getting to the time of year where she can wear short sleeves with a little cardigan over it to school. I got 2 little bunnies for Easter. Go part of my spring Easter decor. This little one is just super soft. He's cute. Pretty sure these were both 25 cents. And I like this guy with the carrot sweater. Come on. Come on. And he's got like the jointed arms and legs. He's cute. Anyway, I don't know what brands they are. They're not anything fancy. I'm pretty sure this is like a Dollarama guy. I don't know. Do we care? No, we don't care. I grabbed these sweatpants. They are the classic Northern Reflections. You know how much I'm into the old lady Northern Reflections. But they're, I don't know. They're stretchy but not. So we'll see how they go. Okay? I know I'm too close to the camera. There we go. We'll see what happens when I try those on. What else did I get? I got Violet a few t-shirts, just plain t-shirts that she can wear to school or when summer hits. They're just plain old t-shirts because I find she is lacking in the t-shirt department. This I got for Steve because he's also lacking in the t-shirt department. It is a Banana Republic, just like a Henley style gray t-shirt. I got this one, which is for me or to sell. I'm always looking at buying things that, if they don't work, I can sell them. But it's Lucky Brand, which I think is a good brand. It's extra large, but like imagine me with this shirt and those shorts, how much I would look like a dad. Anyway. I love a plaid shirt. I love a short sleeve plaid shirt. I think this would look cute with jean shorts in the summer or a navy skirt. I don't know. I'm kind of, but like I said, everything was $1, so I was just like, if I liked it, I was going to grab it and then deal with what I'm going to do with it later. And this was definitely one of those. It is a Burton sweatshirt and it's in pristine condition. So this is definitely going up on my Poshmark. It's a size small, sorry, extra, extra small, which means it could possibly fit Henry. So I'll see. It's really long, but I don't know. This is probably going to go up on my Poshmark. But if Henry likes it, I will let him have it. And this is another pair of shorts that I got in the men's section for me. And we will see how that works out. But they are Polo Ralph Lauren, and they are this bright blue color. Isn't that cool? They have like the polo thing on the back, and I really like them. And who knows if they're gonna work, but I got them and I liked the color because obviously I'm gonna roll up the leg. These were marked $5. But like I said, everything was $1. I'm going to roll up the leg and we'll see how that works. And this is the last thing, is one of these jars. I can't remember what these are called. For spaghetti. It's got the long jar for spaghetti. What's going on with this? There we go. There we go. The clip was just on upside down, but now it seals. Yeah, so I bought a couple of these, like screw-on ones. I'm going to clean out the cupboard above my fridge. And so this probably won't fit up there, but I could put this on my shelf next to my fridge. And yeah. So that's it. That's what we got in our little thrift haul from our trip that Violet and I took to Pasadena to go thrifting. So I do hope you enjoyed seeing us go for a little thrift adventure. And again, I'd love to know what you've been finding lately if you've been thrifting. And I am glad you're here. If you've lasted this long and gotten to this point in the video, I appreciate you. Just a reminder that memberships are open. You can become a member of our fictional adulting community and get exclusive vlogs, exclusive videos, early access videos, and just some random update things that I plan on doing. But yeah, there's a link to that below if you are interested in becoming a member. Don't forget to subscribe and click that thumbs up button. It really helps me and helps the video go further. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.